Hi, today in front of me UleFone Armor 17 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application, and after that tap on the right upper corner. So you'll see here the Gmail account, and if you want to log out from the application, you should first log out from Google account on your device. To do that, click Manage Accounts on this device, tap to your account and click to remove. Then confirm your action by tap to remove again. Are you sure? Tap to OK. Verify if it's you, if you use some protect methods on your device. Then we'll see that we just successfully logged out from Google account on our device. And now just let's go back to Gmail, and we can see that we just successfully logged out from the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs ups and to subscribe.